Hey gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My dish today, this is a Jamaican traditional rundown. So here is my ingredients for today. I don't have no cassava. Cassava is a big thing in the dish. So here's my coconut milk. I'm gonna squeeze the coconut, and the coconut milk takes about 1 to 1.5 hours to cook, so I can get that custardy. And I'm working with some whole wheat flour. I'm gonna mix it with some cornmeal, salt and pepper, onion, some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, dry thyme, onions, tomato, another Scotch bonnet pepper because I don't burst this one, garlic, a piece of yam, Irish potato, onion, and piece of cocoa. And over here I have my mackerel soaking from overnight. So guys, I'm gonna squeeze my milk, put it on the stove for, remember, an hour and a half, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen Rundown Time. Remember, you need a nice dry coconut. So guys, here is the milk. So I'm gonna have that cook until it all dries out and comes to a custard. And that takes, remember, an hour to an hour and a half. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, this is 3 cups of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of cornmeal with a teaspoon of salt. So guys, now I'm gonna mix it back and put it aside. So guys, this is the custard. This is what it looks like. All right. This is the hardest part. So now I'm gonna put in my mackerel. You could have put vegetables only in it, but I'm doing it with mackerel. Make sure you get all the bones out of the mackerel. So one get wet. And I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let this cook for 15 minutes. So my FK gang, come let me show you how I run me down. See the oil settle around it. All that oil is from the coconut, and you see the custard in the middle. Alright. I'm gonna add my seasoning now. Onion and garlic and scallion and tomato. Now I'm gonna add some dry thyme. Just a pinch of dry thyme. Some black pepper. And remember, see the Scotch bonnet pepper in there. And on low heat, they let this cook for another 7 minutes. And guys, you know what's gonna happen after 7 minutes? We're gonna run away. So guys, we're at the end of another segment. This dish today brings out the African in me. I'm here to present Jamaican classic, authentic rundown. When I tell you say bad, it bad. Yeah. Just need what? 2 cassava dumpling and 2 pieces of green banana and a piece of soft yam, right? Anyway, my scripture to you guys today is coming from Acts 18 verse 10. For I am with you, and no one is going to attack and harm you, because I have many people in this city. That same God is the same God today. Yeah, no one can attack us. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, your faith can move mountains, and your faith also can create mountains. Guys, don't create mountains in your life, all right? Use your faith to do good. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. And never forget, Fergie loves you all. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and have a great one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.